Hello, Taurus. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. Welcome to the Journey Home. My name is Catherine and I live in Northern Canada. I've just finished my website. I'm really thrilled. I'm quite excited about having it. After last week's kerfuffle with Vimeo and trying to catch up on readings, I'm now there and I can offer now a subscription. Finally, this one is much different than what you're going to see anywhere else. You can have all of the full extended readings for the month, which includes all zodiac signs and all afternoon delight readings. And the subscription price is $4.99 a month. So have a look at my, it's in the description. Have a look at my website. It's thejourneyhome, all one word, .ca, of course. thejourneyhome.ca. Link will be below. I offer $25 readings where you can ask as many questions as you like, and I'll answer as many as I can in a 15 to 20 minute time slot. That's at the website as well, but I'll have links down below. I think that's all I needed to tell you, Taurus. Other than God bless you. We're ready. Okally dokally. The self-esteem card. The Nine of Pentacles, or the Nine of Earth. The Chariot. And the Ace of Water. So right out of the gate, Taurus, you're working on your self-esteem and how you look at yourself. This is how you truly desire to look when you look at yourself. You're the little seahorse. And it's almost like that self-esteem has something to do with these Nine of Pentacles. You're just missing one for the full 10. This is an earth energy. All you're missing is one. And you're saying your prayers, manifesting it, hoping, working on yourself. There's movement forward with the Chariot, orchestrated like a symphony. And it's fast energy coming in. And that energy coming in is the Ace of Water, which is an offer of love. And not just any love, a very deep love. They hold you in such high regard. You're probably over here thinking, I don't know what they see. They keep thinking I am some kind of goddess. And looking at the mirror and thinking, what is it they see? That's quite possible. I know a lot of people that do that. But this is what they see. That you are a precious pearl. You are rising above the rest. This is a victory card. Rite of passage. Recognition. You are the biggest balloon in the sky. Nine of Air. I love this deck because it signifies the Nine of Swords. But in this deck, what I see is you turning all of that pain that you've been through and turning it into doves of peace. Now, these wings that are spread are keeping them at a distance, but they are definitely turning into doves of peace. Transformation. Look at this. Look at the two corner in the top of the card. Can you see that? In the corners? in the top of the card. Looks like eyes watching you. Page of Air, a new beginning in truth. Nope, 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 nope. This is the step up from that. This is the step up from that. You began in truth, a new beginning, and you have a new beginning in love. But this beginning in truth, you're able to spread those wings of yours and direct that feather to where you want it to be. Beautiful energy. Four of Air. So this is self-reflection, spiritual self-reflection. It's not just looking in the mirror and seeing yourself, you know, building your self-esteem. This is going deep, deep. Stepping back from everything and to go on an inner search. Five of Fire. Taurus, how beautiful. You are. This card allows others to have the differences. You honor their differences. You honor the differences between you. You're not one to, and I know you're a bull, but you're not one to stomp on these people and say, you have to do it my way. You honor their differences. But you are still on your own road. You may be dealing with another earth sign, or this could be you. Or this could be someone who's taking on this energy, which is one of kindness, benevolence, fairness, stability. But he's looking awfully remorseful, sad, sad. That's love, deep, deep. Taurus, I'm going to take this to the extended. Come over to my website and subscribe, and you can look at all of the extendeds for all the zodiacs and all of the afternoon delights. And I would just love to have you there too, because it helps me a great deal and helps pay for the website and the channel. And if, yeah, I'll see you over there. God bless you. If you don't, I'll see you the next reading or the next zodiac. Bye for now, Taurus. Mwah.